You're watching a weekly CFD overview of global financial markets. The dollar slipped lower last week as disappointing macroeconomic indicators weighed on the US currency. More specifically, CPI and retail sales were lower than expected. The Fed is widely expected to leave interest rates unchanged at its policy meeting this week. However, the Fed is expected to outline a reduction of its balance sheet and possibly announce a starting date after a policy meeting this week. The Japanese yen weakened against the dollar as the Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe is allegedly considering calling a snap election as early as next month to take advantage of his improved approval ratings and disarray in the main opposition party. The British pound strengthened significantly after the Bank of England's monetary policy meeting last week and after an external member said on Friday that interest rates could rise as early as in the coming months. Tuesday afternoon, GBP USD traded at $1.3521. The minutes of the Reserve Bank of Australia September meeting showed on Tuesday that policymakers remain favorable to low interest rates, saying that they allowed the economy to continue to strengthen. Bitcoin surged back above the $4,000 level on Monday in an impressive bounce back from last week's heavy losses. The digital currency lost more than $1,000 in value last week and dropped below $3,000 per coin for the first time in over a month, with the sell-off driven in large part of fears of China cracking down on the market and warning from JP Morgan CEO Jamie Dimon that Bitcoin was a fraud. Gold prices dropped last week but edged higher on Tuesday, pulling away from the previous session's three-week lows as the release of mixed US data weighed on the dollar. Oil prices remained supported by last week's bullish demand forecasts from OPEC and the International Energy Agency. US energy firms cut the number of oil rigs by 7 in the week to September 15th, bringing the total to 749. This is the fewest number of oil rigs since June, energy services company Baker Hughes reported on Friday. It traded near multi-month highs on Tuesday afternoon, $50.6 a barrel. Markets await the release of fresh data on US stockpiles. You were watching a weekly CFD overview of global financial markets.